Hey guys, today we're gonna make a tres leches cake. If you don't know, that's my Tia Nancy's favorite. Now that we got our flour, we're gonna put in our baking powder, a little salt, a little salt over our shoulder for good luck. It's egg time! Woo woo! But first you gotta separate the egg. This part's difficult, and if you can't separate it, use a spoon. We got our eggs ready. Now we're gonna put in our sugar and beat it up to a pale yellow. Now we're gonna pour it into our flour mixture. And mix. Now we're gonna pour in the egg whites and mix it so it has stiff peaks. You see, our egg whites are ready. And now we're gonna fold it, and after we fold it, we're gonna stick it in the oven. This is what it will look like, and now we're gonna pop it in a pan and pop it in the oven at 350 degrees. The cake is cool. Now we're gonna make the milk mixture for the tres leches. If you haven't had any, tres leches translates 3 types of milk: milk, condensed milk, and evaporated milk. And we mix. Let's check. It's ready. And now, I already poked some holes into the cake. So now, let's pour the tres leches in. And you pour little by little, so the cake starts sucking up the milk. The cake soaked up all the tres leches, and now we're gonna put in our homemade whipped cream on it. If you don't know how to make it, then check out our channel. Now let's put on the toppings. Here's our tres leches cake. Like and subscribe.